I'm Emma Jane from the School of Arts and Media, and I'll be talking about challenging and supporting students in active learning. When I first tried online teaching, I wasn't very good at it. Just quietly, I had to ask my 10-year-old how to find the camera on my laptop. Having read research about students' dislike of narrated slideshows, I think they call it PowerPoint karaoke, I set out to achieve two simple things: slides that didn't look like slides, and a better balance between my face and my presentation. It took a lot of YouTube explainers to get from this to this, but it's been worth it. When I show up, metaphorically and literally, in online classes, students tend to follow suit. Cameras stay on, conversations flow, and even my experience approves. As an entrepreneurship educator, I'm always running lo-fi experiments to determine which approaches get the best results for all of us. Students become co-creators of what I teach and the way I teach it. This sense of agency and ownership really stimulates active learning. Platforms working well for us this term include Slido for pulse checks, Jamboard for brainstorming, VideoAsk for peer assessment, Kahoot for gamifying revision, a library of pre-recorded clips for landing and re-landing key points, and shared Google Docs for monitoring group work in breakout rooms in real time. Moodle's nooks and crannies are also full of fantastic ways to keep everyone accountable, nudge those who miss deadlines, and even triangulate data to help determine why a student might be struggling and what might help. So my tip: talk to your 10-year-olds and of course your students. Those digital natives really know their stuff.